Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log in Bitget account in 2025. For that, first of all, you will have to simply open your Google Play Store or App Store, and from there you will have to simply download and install your Bitget application. Now once you do this, you just have to simply launch the app, and the interface of Bitget app will look something like this, where you need to simply tap on the get started option and it will redirect you on this page. Now over here you can create your account on Bitget, but since we want to log in, you need to tap on the login option in the top right hand corner of the screen, and now you need to provide your email address, your phone number, and press next in the bottom. On the next page, you will have to simply provide your password associated with your Bitget account, and this way you will be able to easily log in into your account. Now if you have sub account with Bitget, you just have to provide the respective email address and password here in order to log in into your account. So it is very simple and straightforward. Now if you face any kind of problems in login into your account, you just have to simply tap on this forget password option and it will redirect you on the next page, where you can basically get the link on your email address and you can reset your password. So if this video helped you out, give it a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.